Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to switch off iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, if you want to protect your iPhone battery, and for now, you are not using your iPhone, it is advisable to switch it off. To do that, there are a few ways you can use to switch off your iPhone. The first way is press and hold the volume up button and then the power button together. And then you should say slide to power off. Just go ahead, slide this to power off your iPhone. If you don't want to use that, you can actually slide to power off your iPhone without using the volume up button and then the power button. To do this, swipe down the control center. Locate and press the power button at the top right. Press and hold it. And once you feel the haptics, then you let it go. You can now go ahead and slide to power off. And lastly, another way you can use to switch off your iPhone is via your iPhone settings. On the settings, you want to go ahead and open General or select General. Scroll down. Now click on Shutdown. Once you click on that, now go ahead and complete the cycle by sliding to power off your iPhone. And after that, you are good. So that's basically how to switch off iPhone. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.